Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Edozie and today I'm going to be doing this look. I love the way the look turned out. I look really chic, bright, and it's just a few colors. I have just 3 colors on my eyes and it looks this vibrant and this wonderful. If you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share this video. Please hit the subscribe button, join the family, and make sure you click on the notification bell so you don't miss any video from me. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Eyebrows, and for my brows today I'm using the Mabrook eyebrow brown pencil. It's a really pigmented brown pencil and it's very precise. So let's get started. I'm starting off by outlining my brows, the bottom and the top part of my brows. I'm following the shape of my natural brows. I'm trying to make it look as okay. Right now I'm going in with a spoolie and I'm just brushing my eyebrow hairs up. So I'm going to be going in with the OLAY Pro Concealer High Definition Concealer in the shade Toffee. I'm going to be using this to clean up my bottom brows. To clean up the topmost part. And I'm using a fluffy blending brush. It's nothing, it's a random blending brush that I have. So just blend concealer into the skin. In doing this you have to be really careful so you don't rub off the OLAY Pro Concealer in shade Toffee. When you do this, it makes the colors you apply pop. The concealer that I just used, I'll be using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Very lightly, nothing serious. Just avoid any form of creasing. Hi guys, so we're back. I did one eye of camera and I'm loving the way it looks. I'm using the Ushas Colorful Eyeshadow 30 color palette, and I'm going in with this brown shade. I'm just going to pop that in my crease.
It's for the signature and the base.
Profusion matte eyeshadows. This black here, and I'm going to put that in my outer corner. Sorry. Just lightly, and as I'm doing that, I'm kind of dragging it inwards just at the top so it doesn't look, it's not looking too clean. We're trying to create this deeper illusion we have going on with the other eye, so I'm just dragging it a little bit. We're going to blend that out to the bone. Still in the shade Fawn.
It's for the signature and the base.
always messy when it comes to this. Sorry guys. Always messy. I don't ever use this. Do this properly. I always make a mess. Going back into the Ushas Colorful palette, and I'm taking this shade right here. It's a champagne gold shade, and I'm just patting that onto the eyeshadow. I'm just patting that onto the. I'm going in with my brush to blend. Just blend everything together. Make sure there are no harsh lines. Beauty Extra Protective Liquid Eyeliner. Colorstay Crayon Eyeliner. I'm moisturizing using the OLAY Hydrating Hydration Active Moisturizer. That's a lot better, and I find that I don't break out. The Very Gold Complete Cover Maximum Coverage. I don't know if it's just me, but I think I look really red. Why that is. This is in the LA Girl Pro Concealed. It's still in the shade Toffee. Let's hope this takes away the red feeling I think I see on my face. I'm going to be highlighting my under eye, bridge of my nose, forehead, cupid's bow. Blend the concealer easily. Banana powder. I'm not going to be baking. Going in with my Maybelline Clear Smooth All-in-One powder. I'll be using the Fairup Makeup Facedefiner. Going into the same palette, and I'm taking this shimmery gold eyeshadow. Very similar to the color we have on the lid, and I'm just popping it in my inner tear duct to open my eyes and make it pop. I'm going to be using the Romantic Beauty blusher. It's a bright home color. So just going to bring color back to the face. We're going to be highlighting using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm going to be using the shade Golden Bronze. We're going for a subtle highlight, nothing too hip or glow. Yes, girl. Yes. It's the True Matte lipstick in the shade Shiraz. Well, let me go get my hair done. I'm feeling myself already. Let me get my hair done and I'll be right back. So hey guys, this is the look. This is how it turned out. I was able to put my hair, put on a jewelry and make myself look decent. Thank you guys so much for watching. For all those first time stopping by, please subscribe to my channel. Welcome to the Nickak. Subscribe to my channel, click the like button, share this video, subscribe. Just do the needful. You know what you need to do. I'll see you all in my next video. Time for some slow-mo's. I love you.
I ain't tryna be a player. So many things that I wanna say. You know I got a little wiser. I don't wanna lose your love tonight. I don't wanna lose your love tonight. I ain't got many friends I can talk to. Nowhere to run when I'm in trouble. You know I would do anything for you. We gon' have to keep it undercover. I don't wanna lose your love tonight.